Hello students. Okay. Today I am going to introduce you with coordinate geometry. Yeah, it's a big topic, but anyway, you want. So, in that, today I am going to explain distance formula. What is this distance formula? Okay, on the graph paper, you plot points. There is x-axis, there is y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis on graph. Now you are practicing how to plot point on graph. Okay, now if graph paper is not provided, if graph paper is there, you can plot the point and measure the distance. But if graph paper is not there, and you have to find, suppose this point is a x1 y1. You don't know the point. X1 y1 are the coordinates. Okay, because you don't have the graph. This is B point, x2 y2. Okay, so how to find this distance AB? Okay, for this distance AB you can find out using formula. If you know the coordinates of 2 points x1 y1, b x2 y2, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is nothing but Pythagoras theorem only. Graphical distance formula can be easily derived, but okay, I am not going to derive that. But if you have any doubt, I can derive the formula. You write me in the comment box that you want explanation of this formula. Okay, now what is the use of this formula? This formula can be used to measure distance between two coordinate points. Understanding, suppose A point is 3, 4 and B point is minus 5, minus 3. Then just use this formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and you will get the distance AB. Okay, more where this can be used. This can be used to prove locus, like any equidistant point on x-axis or y-axis, or to prove if 3 points are given A, B, C, and if you have to prove this is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means all sides must be equal. Find out distance AB, find out distance BC, find out distance AC. This is by using distance formula, because there are other methods also. I am just explaining distance formula. If all distances are equal, AB equal to BC equal to AC, then you have proved the triangle is equilateral. AB distance, same formula. BC distance, same formula. One of the point you can take x1 y1, other point x2 y2. And AC distance, same formula. One point x1 y1, other point x2 y2. Find out all the three distance using distance formula, and you can decide if all the three sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, for isosceles triangle, you know, for you have to find all the three sides, means AB, BC, AC. Okay, any two sides must be equal, then you automatically you prove that the triangle is isosceles. Okay, if you have to prove right angle triangle, okay, again distance formula, find out AB, BC, AC. And what happens? The greatest side square is equal to sum of other two side square. That is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. Means suppose ABC are 3 points, and AB distance you got, BC distance you got, and AC distance you got. Okay, if AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, or vice versa, whatever, the greatest side square equal to sum of two smaller side square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Then automatically it is proved the triangle is right angled. If right angled isosceles, then AB must be equal to BC. Then so AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. then in that case you prove the triangle is right angled. Okay, or sums can come on quadrilateral. Prove this quadrilateral is a square, suppose. Then square, all sides you have to prove congruent. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. And not, that is not enough, because that you just have proved rhombus. If all sides are equal, you just have proved it is a rhombus. So you have to find out diagonal AC and diagonal BD. If diagonals are equal, AC equal to BD, automatically then only you have proved the quadrilateral is a square. Means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, all sides equal and diagonals equal. Mean diagonals not equal to side, but diagonals are congruent, then only it is a square. Suppose if you have to prove rectangle, okay, for rectangle you have to prove opposite sides, you have to prove equal, like AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC, and diagonals congruent, AC equal to BD. You have to find 6 distances, and from that you can finalize the quadrilateral is a rectangle. For parallelogram is easy, just you have to prove opposite sides equal, AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Then automatically it proves. You don't have to find diagonal, because diagonals of parallelogram are not congruent. Understanding? This rhombus, just you have to prove all sides are equal, AB equal to BC. For every distance you have to find using distance formula, equal to CD equal to AD. If all sides just you prove equal, then the quadrilateral is a rhombus. Getting it? Okay. These are the applications of distance formula. Okay. One more application of distance formula is collinearity. How can you prove the points are collinear? Collinearity. 3 points are given, A, B, C. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and suppose C is x3, y3. Whatever C point is given. Find out AB, BC, AC, all the 3 distances you have to find out. And if you get the condition that sum of 2 distance equal to third distance, means AB equal to BC, AB plus BC equal to AC. May be different, AB plus AC equal to BC, whatever. The greater distance equal to sum of 2 smaller distance. Getting? Then the points are collinear. Suppose AB you get 5, BC you get 3 and AC you get 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. And you have automatically proved points A, B, C are collinear. This is the basic concept for using distance formula. And for locus sum, one sum I am going to do here. Locus sum, point on x-axis or point on y-axis. Okay. Once you understand distance formula, you can ask me doubt. Okay, from your textbook you must be doing different sums. You ask me doubt and I will solve the sum for you. Okay. Okay. The sum, one of the sum I am taking. See, find point on x-axis. Okay. Which is equidistant from A minus 3, 4 and B 1 minus 4. Okay, how to solve this sum? You have to find the point on x-axis. X-axis, you know, the points are 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0 or minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0. So y coordinate is always 0. So don't worry. Okay. So let point on x-axis is small a comma 0. We'll name the point as P, small a comma 0. Now this is equidistant from A and B. Okay, now if they ask point on y-axis, so you can take, let the point on y-axis be 0a. Because y-axis points, if you know, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 or 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3. Okay, So this P is equidistant. Equidistant means PA equal to PB. So PA equal to PB. Okay. Means PA distance, that is root wala distance. So under root A minus 3 means A plus 3 square plus 4 minus 0 minus 4 square plus y2 minus y1 square means equal to PB square. So we will have to take root sign. Okay, we can avoid to take root sign. So we will directly write PA square is equal to PB square. So no need to take root sign. We will now directly, formula is written here, you have to write the formula. See, PA square means directly x2 minus x1 square. A minus 3, that is A plus 3 square plus 0 minus 4, that is minus 4 square equal to PB square. A minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4, that is 0 plus 4 square. PA square x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. PB square x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, I will use this. Now I will just solve this to get the value of A. A0 is our point on x-axis. Okay, so A plus 3 square. A plus 3 square, you have to use identity. Many students do mistake here. They directly write A square plus 9, but no. Whenever binomial, you go to identity. Identities we have discussed in my identity video. So A plus B square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2 into A into 3, that is 6A plus 9 plus 0 minus 4 is minus 4, the square is 16. Minus 4 square is 16. Here A minus 1 square. Again you have to use the identity. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So that is A square minus 2 into A into 1, that is a 2A plus 1 plus 4 square is 16. Okay, now you see 16 here and 16 there. So I am cutting this 16. Because 16 on shifting this side will become minus 16. Oh, A square also cutting. A square and A square. On shifting that this side it will become minus A square. Now AA one side and number one side. This 6A, that minus 2A on shifting this side will become plus 2A. Equal to this 1 minus 9. 8A equal to minus 8. 8A equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8 upon 8. A equal to minus 1. So the answer is A0, that is minus 1, 0. Okay, such locus sum. Answer. You can write properly answer. The point on x-axis is minus 1, 0. Understood the sum? Similar sum can come for y-axis also. Just you have to take like point on y-axis be 0A. Think of y-axis, think of x-axis, and easily you can score. Okay, even if the points are in root sign, if you see, don't worry, the formula is same. Understanding? Root 3 minus 2 root 3 is the square. Root 3 is the square 3. Getting? Whatever you can doubt. If you are not getting any sum, you ask me. Write in the comment box. I will reply. I will show video. Getting up by solving the sums. Board exam is near, so you have to be careful. Study, study. More study. Solving more sums, you will get more difficulties, more doubts. Okay? But don't worry, I am there to solve. I am there to help you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.